week before the start of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte, the Senate has begun allowing visitors to enter its premises. This was announced by Senate President Win Gatchalian. The Senate security had been placed on heightened alert since the first week of June. This came amid reports from the intelligence community of a serious threat against the chamber. Gatchalian said security measures will still be implemented, such as the inspection of vehicles at the entrances.
Makikinig tayo at sisikaping matugunan ang mga ito habang tinitiyak ang tamang balanse sa pagitan ng seguridad at accessibility.